This is the monthly chart on Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and there was a buying opportunity back in December, another opportunity to buy in March, but price never got down this low. Since that time, prices have been straight up. I had the opportunity to buy, but I didn't want to. I'm not going to lie, I was a bit nervous. This is when the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was at a discount relative to the net asset value of roughly 50%, but it really was the greatest opportunity, probably even better than buying Bitcoin. Fast forward to today, that discount is 30%, and the way things are going, we'll get back to break even sometime this year. Why? So this article is coming from CoinDesk. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares rally to a one-year high. Discount dips to 30%. So GBTC shares surge to a one-year high as reports about investment asset manager Fidelity Investments preparing to follow BlackRock's application for a spot BTC exchange traded fund with its own renewed optimism about converting the trust into an ETF. The discount on the GBTC share price relative to its net asset value, a widely followed metric in the digital asset space, dropped to 30%. Now, the surge extended GBTC's recent rally, which was spurred initially by BlackRock's filing on June 15th, and continued as financial services giant Invesco, WisdomTree, reapplied to offer a spot GBTC. So let's go back to the charts. And why the surge in price? Well, the probability of the trust being converted into a ETF increases each day. We recently found that the initial filings from BlackRock and others, SEC was saying that there was adequate information. Since then, they implemented a surveillance program into their refiled ETF, and a spot BTC ETF it's inevitable, right? So let's go down to the weekly chart. Just want to show you those zones. I mean, this was, I don't know, this was a beautiful setup, and this was a setup, but price never got down. So let's just label these here. Weekly buy, weekly buyers. This was $7. And this was weekly buyers as well. At the $11 level. All right, so I'm now comfortable getting long. I was comfortable getting long down here. Question is, where can you get in? Let's go down to the daily chart. Well, we missed one opportunity on this June 30th. Price dipped down, retested the pivot high to the left. That was at $18. Also respected the 13-symbol moving average. I'm going to say this level is still valid. One thing to note, price is getting extended. So ideally, you would love for price to pause, even trickle down a little bit, allow the moving averages to catch up. to take it long. Let's go back to the weekly chart. Okay, so here's what I would like to see on the weekly chart. I want to see price close above 21.21. We get closes below that level, this whole region becomes the buying opportunity. Who knows, maybe we pause for a little bit, trickle sideways as the moving averages catch up. We get closer to that uptrend line that was respected. But I'm going to say if price can pull back after taking out 21.25 level, we can go higher. Let's scroll to the monthly chart. How high can we go? Next target becomes $32. All right, so again, this level is still valid. Why? Because of the pivot high, which serves as support. Let's go back to the weekly chart. We could close it above the 21.25. That would be opportunity to go long on pullbacks between 17 and say 19. It's opportunity to go long. Look for your target to be $32. Discount is going to zero, which means that the trust is selling at a lesser price than Bitcoin. It's correlated to Bitcoin. It's like buying Bitcoin at a 30% discount. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.